It is my pleasure to announce that we have with us the NCRI's attorney who defended our case in the court of Antwerp. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Monsieur Georges-Henri Beauthier.
Did you hear me? Hello, did you hear me? I will be short. The terrorism state has been condemned through the sentence of today. 4 spies were condemned heavily by the Court of Justice in Antwerp. 100 page of motivation, strong motivation. It's a great victory to which I associate my colleague, my confrater, my barrister, Rick van Reuzel. But the victory is sadly not fully achieved yet. There remain spies and terrorists ready to kill their opponents around the world. The government of Belgium and the European government have to understand that really clearly. I would like to thank the Iranian activists who fight every day against terror, obscurantism in Iran and abroad. I cannot forget my thoughts also go to the daily victims of the dictatorship. Thank you.